The next time somebody says, oh, you shouldn't eat saturated fat, play a little game. Okay, so why shouldn't we eat saturated fat? Because it will raise your LDL, and LDL is bad for you. Okay, great. How does it raise my LDL? And they won't have an answer. There is no known plausible biological mechanism, either demonstrated experimentally or even postulated, by which saturated fat increases LDL levels. And that's going to shock a lot of people. So let's talk about evidence for this. We're making bold claims. We need science. How about a study from British Medical Journal that looked at what happened when they supplemented people with different fats, and they had a look at the impact on their LDL levels. They used a coconut oil, I believe from memory, it was 96% saturated fat, and they compared it with butter, which was only 66% saturated fat. The people who consumed the butter, their LDL level went up moderate amount. What do you think happened to the people who consume the coconut oil, given that, we know that saturated fat increases LDL? Well, their LDL levels actually went down.